got a few little projects I need to get done today. I got to put a new tarp on the sheep pen. I'm gonna take you over. Had a little problem with my goat. I'm gonna talk about that. Might have to pick some peppers for the farm stand. So I'm gonna do that this evening, so I'll have to do it in the morning. And we'll see what else we got to get into. First thing I do, I gotta unload this feed, chicken feed. Got 300 pounds, so I think I'll go get the TYM and put it in the bucket. It's a little easier to open up and dump into the barrel. So let's go get the TYM. Alright, let's take this down to the barn and get it put up. It's one of my least favorite things to do. I don't mind going to the store. I like going to the store and buying it, but hauling it down there I don't much enjoy. Alright, so I've had two good frosts, and that noise you hear is they're pumping the sludge pond over at the dairy across the railroad. I know it's picking it up. I'll try to take it out there and edit it, but anyway, had two good frosts, so I'll probably start doing a little fall cleanup, some bush hogging. We'll get our new fruit area cleaned up. I gotta get the pig thing cleaned up, the pig lot. Got a lot to do. We ain't gonna get it all done today. Let's take this on down to the barn. So here's my goat problem. Phil right here has figured out how to get loose from over there. So ended up having to put him over here with I don't know, we haven't even named him, but he's the one, this one right here. He's a good boy right here. Come here, boy. This one right here, he's a troublemaker. Phil, and he likes to bite. This one right here, he's a good boy. Yeah, he likes to get petted, don't you? Won't you be more like him? Huh? So, somehow or another, he was getting out, and he started getting out when we've been on vacation for 2 weeks. And my son, which he did the chores for us, he said he got out a couple times, and so when we got back, he was, well, the first day we got back, the next day I went and did chores, and he was out in the field, and I got him, put him up, and then he got out every day, and I thought I'd fix a couple places where I thought he was getting out, and finally I got tired of fooling with it. So I was going to put him up. Actually, I was going to put him, actually I'll probably go ahead and move him over to another stall, because I need to sell him. I need to get him sold. We're not going to keep him. And I wish I could keep him. He's such a good goat. I can't believe nobody came and buy him. But anyway, so I put Phil back over here, but I won't put Phil, I'm gonna get Phil his own pen outside. So if we keep Phil, because we're going to we'll see what kind of babies we're gonna have, if we have babies at all. So I was gonna have to take him out anyway. But anyway, I'm rambling. All right, let's get this feed put in here, and I'll get these guys fed, and it'll be a little quieter. Wasn't too bad. It's not too bad, really. 55-gallon drum will hold 300 pounds of pellets, so that did me quite a while. I don't know exactly how long. I used to did me for almost a month, so I used to keep really good track of it. Haven't here been lately, so. All right, so let's go up and get side by side, and I got a new tool I want to try out, and we'll see if we can fix that or put a new tarp on that movable. So I'm down here at my mobile sheep pen, and the other day the big wind came by and blew the top off. And I keep forgetting to buy a tarp, but I've got I think it's an 8x6 tarp, and I'm gonna put it up here at least temporary till I can remember to stop in town to get one. So this is a new tool I got. It's a cordless stapler by mdavistn. Used to be can't remember the name of what this used to be. Hitachi is what it used to be. But I won a gift card at work to Lowe's, and this was on sale, and I thought it'd be good to have, because especially like on my chicken coops, it shoots a 2-inch staple. I think I've only got like an inch on this one for now, so. But even right here where I staple this wire, you know, it could help. So, all right, so I'm gonna try to put this tarp on, and hopefully it works, and I hope it's wide enough. That's what I'm worried about now. So let's try it and see what happens. Oh boy. Well, that'll do for now. I'll leave this on there for a few days and then get back to it. I think this was supposed to be 8x6. Oh well. This thing's actually pretty slick. I think it was on sale for like $129 or something. Came with a battery and a charger, and I like this thing. All right, so this will work for a little while, and I'll stop by and get a bigger tarp. With the frost coming, usually, you know, this will get them out of the frost. So, all right, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna go ahead and move these, and I'll film that. Then we'll go down and see what kind of peppers we need to get. Okay, I think she said she needed a couple of quarts of jalapenos and a few bells. Look at this jalapeno. My gosh. I've had the best jalapenos this year. Look at this. Every one of them's like it. This big old bell. Huge. Anyway, I'm going to put these down at the store and look at those. I screwed up my tomato plants. Let's swing over. First of all, look at these mums. Right through here. Ain't they pretty? So we're going to carry these all down and put them in the for sale in the farm market tomorrow. Or it'll be today when you're watching this. So let me swing around there and see how I screwed up. So we got a couple heavy frost, and I forgot to take these tomato plants inside. Even those squash plants over there got it. I'd left the sides up, and it got them. So they look horrible, don't they? Oh well. I think this is a yeah, this is a squash. This had a little baby squash on it. Look. So broccoli did good, lettuce did good, cabbage did good. So I'll go over and make sure the ones I planted in the ground are okay. I even checked those in a day or two. So let's walk over. So these in here look really good, and I don't see no problem in here much. Something one of them might have got. I don't know why it got right there. But I closed this side. It's about 70 in here right now. So. So I might come in here and, oh, I got some red tomatoes over. Might come in here and finish cleaning this out and plant what I got good over here. If I'd planted them tomatoes, it'd probably been all right. It's supposed to warm back up now for about 2 or 3 more weeks, so hopefully these will come on and we'll get something here in a couple of weeks. All right, so I'm gonna go over and check these tomatoes, and carry them down to the farm stand. I gotta get them a bale of hay for some decorations, and I'm gonna call it a day. But this is the end of this video. Appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here on the farm next video.